Hey guys, my name is Kim and welcome back to Reps. And today I'm going to the gym. So the lodge that I'm staying, the Benyada Lodge, doesn't have a gym, but it has a gym very close by, about 2 minutes walk. It's called the Palm Fitness Phuket. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera and show you the details of the gym. It's only 2 minutes walk and it's written, it's about 140 meters, 2 minutes walk. So it's about the entrance fees is 500 baht only. It includes towel, water, coffee, and some bananas. So it's and the review is not bad. It says that it has a fully equipped fitness center, free weights, machines, cardios, okay, and sauna. Okay, so I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so don't go away, guys. So it's called the Palm Fitness Phuket. So I'll just start the direction. So it's just about 2 minutes. Oops, it's about 2 minutes walk. Okay, 2 minutes walk. It's not that far. So yeah, so I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so don't go away, guys. Okay, guys, I'm here right in front of the Benyada Lodge. Okay, so when you go out from the lodge, you gotta turn right here. So I'm gonna move the camera to the right, and I'm gonna see how far it's the Palm Fitness Phuket is by walking. Okay, so I'm walking. It says about 250 meters. Oops, my camera's loose. Let me check that. So I'm looking at the GPS now, walking. Let's see.
Slight right.
So I'm gonna go slight right. So the weather is very beautiful today. It's a Sunday. So after the gym, I'm gonna go to the beach, get some tan. Okay, so I'm gonna get some sun. Okay, so from here you gotta pass this restaurant called Oriental Spoon. Okay. Let's see where it is. Oh, should I turn the other way? What's it here? Oh, Twin Palms? Is this the one? Twin Palms. I'm not sure, so palms here. But let me check it out. Palm Fitness. Ah. Okay, so not bad. Just a few minutes walk. Let's check it out. Come inside here. Palm Fitness. Where is it? Oh, Palm Fitness is here. Hi, daily rate, yeah.
500?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so
You like to pay?
card or something.
Sign in?
Yeah. So I stay at the Benyada Lodge. So when I googled, it says that
Buy on the Google?
yeah, on Google. So they said this is the closest walk by walk. Thank you very much. Yeah, okay, I'll sign. Facilities. So you got the cable cross machine. And here you get the abdominal machines, some bent steps, another cable cross. Here you have what do you call this, assisted chins and dips. Cable cross, you got your treadmills, ellipticals. Yeah, not bad. Spacious, what do you call it, activity room. You get your mats. Okay, here are the equipments. Dumbbells. Nice kettlebell. Guys, I just finished my workout. What can I say about the Palm Fitness Phuket? It's a very because very clean fitness center. It's well equipped. As you enter the reception area, you're greeted by the receptionist. You have to sign in. After signing in, you got to pay for whatever fees. The entrance fee is 500 Thai baht. Okay, that's for daily use. Okay, that's for day use. For that, you get a complimentary coffee, banana, complimentary towels, and complimentary bottled water. And you can use the whole facilities. They have the brand of the equipment are Matrix. They have cardio machines. They have treadmill. They have elliptical. They have a recumbent bike, and they have a upright bike. They have 2 sets of cable cross. They have what do you call it, a Smith machine, 2 Smith machines, squat racks, complete strength legs, extension leg curl, leg press, flies. It's dumbbells. The heaviest dumbbell is 50 kg, or I think it's 50. Yeah, 50 lb. It's about 25 kilograms, and they have real beautiful sets of kettlebells. Okay, so what can I say about the gym? It's very luxurious. The studio, the size of the studio can fit about maybe 10 people. Okay, this is the studio I'm staying here now. Okay, okay, something just dropped, and that's basically it. It's very near to the lodge that I'm staying at, the Benyada Lodge, about 2 minutes walk, and it's about 5 minutes walk to the beach. So if you guys are around this area and you plan to stay at the Benyada Lodge, keep on mispronouncing it, Benyada Lodge, okay, here at Bantao. Okay, and you need a gym to work out. This is one of the gym that's very close to them. Okay, so if you like this video, do give a comment, like, subscribe, and press the notification button, and see you again next time.